In this lecture, we will continue the concept of work, power, energy. The first part is work. Work measured in three ways. One is dot product method, another integration method, another graphical method. In last lecture, we complete dot product method. In dot product method, compulsory force must be constant होना. The work done due to constant force, that is dot product method. And second one is work done due to variable force. Here we using the integration method. Integration में हम complete करना चाहिए. So work done due to variable force. How to measure the work? Work is measured. So first of all, variable force. Force is completely changes, not same. That condition work done is, how do we calculate? This is write as work done equals to F into ds. So F into ds. So F bar dot ds bar. This is dW. Work done due to variable force. It is using that integration. Then W equals to integration of F bar dot ds bar. F bar dot ds bar. W equals to integration of F bar dot ds bar. So this is integration method. That means work done due to variable force. Force is variable. So W equals to integration of F bar into ds bar. Example, just you know that one loaded spring. This is one loaded spring is best example. Without load, the spring is very closer the rings. Without load, the rings are very closer. With load, when load is attached this spring, when load is attached, what is the condition? This is load attached the lower end. Load attached the lower end. The spring is stretched it is. The spring is stretched, that means here the force is variable. So this place and this place, they have different force acting on it. Here the force is depends upon, force is directly proportional to displacement, F proportional to x. So this is one stretched string. Stretched string. What is the condition in this case? Work done in a stretched string. So force is directly proportional to displacement. Force is variable. When displacement is, suppose this is x is the displacement. Due to this load, the displacement is x. F proportional to x, F is equals to k into x. K is force constant. Force constant or spring constant it is. Here we are using force constant, that is K. So K write as F upon x. K independent on force, independent on displacement. Then K equals to F upon x it is. And the units of K, Newton per meter. This is an SI system. In CJ system, it is Dyn per centimeter. So these are the units, SI system and CJ system units. This is force constant. K equals to F upon x. But we want how much work done. Here, how much work done is done in this stretched string. We want work done on stretched string we want. So work done is write as, so variable force here, this force is variable. Then work done is write as dW, that is equals to F into dx. dW equals to F into dx, where integration on both sides, we want dx displacement, work done is dW. If the displacement is x, how much work is done here? The work done is, we measured both sides applying integration. Integration on both sides. So integration of dW, integration of f into dx. Here the limitation, initially without load the displacement becomes 0. Without load the work done is 0. With load the work done is W. With load the displacement is x. Integration of dW equals integration of f into dx. Here f is integration of 0 to W, f write as kx into dx. This is limits from 0 to x. So we want what is the work done. So integration differentiation cut होने के बाद W is write as W equals to, here integration of x into dx, k is constant, integration of x dx, that is write as x square by 2. So here the formula is integration of x dx, that value becomes integration of x power n dx, its value becomes x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Then it is write as integration of x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, that is nothing but x power 2 upon 2. This work done is W equals to of kx square. This is the work done. Work done equals to of kx square. If the condition is, if x is constant, then what is the work done? Work done directly proportional to k. X is constant, work done directly proportional to k. If k is constant, this condition work is directly proportional to x square. Work done is directly proportional to x square. Again the work done is write as of kx into x, it is of kx into x. It is write as W equals to of f into x, it is kx is nothing but that is f into x. This is of fx, this is the work done. If x constant, W proportional to f, or f constant, force constant, this condition W proportional to x. So this is work done due to variable force. You know that F equals to mg, F equals to m into g. That condition work done is write as W equals to of mg into x. This is mg into x it is. And another one, if you know that k is write as f upon x, where the k value x is equals to f upon k, then what is the value of work done? Work done equals to of f into x, x write as f by k. Then this condition the work done is write as f square upon 2k, f square by 2k. This is the work done. If f is constant, f constant, work proportional to 1 upon k, f constant, work proportional to 1 by k. This is work done. And so stretcher string, work done in a stretcher string, work done on stretcher string. This problem is given two springs A and B having force constant Ka, Kb. Ka is greater than Kb. Both springs are stretched by same force. Then what is the work done? So which one? Then the work done is more with spring. So this is work done value हमको चाहिए. Then the work done is more in first case or more in first spring, more in second spring. That is V1. Here you know that work done is write as W equals to work equals to force into displacement. The stretched string of Fx, otherwise of Kx square and of F square by 2k. That means F square upon 2k. Work done equals to, these are the three formulas. The condition is given that same force acting, that means force is same. Then work done is W equals to F square upon 2k. F is same. F is same. Then work done is W is proportional to 1 upon k. So F is constant, W is proportional to 1 by k. Then this condition Ka is greater than Kb. Then work done of A is less than work done of B. So work done A is less than work done B. That means, so this is smaller work done is WA. A spring having less. In given problem, work required to stretch a spring of X displacement is W. Find work required to stretch further X displacement is. Further X displacement, that means first this is one spring we using. How much work is done here? This is one spring. A load is given. But here the stretching, suppose the stretching is X. Here work done equals to force constant of spring is W. W equals to half Kx square. So X displacement, the work done equals to W equals to half Kx square. Further X displacement, that means suppose work required to complete the 2x displacement. Work required to complete the 2x displacement. Suppose the displacement is 2x. Here the work done, force constant is k. The work done equals to half, this is write as W1, half k into displacement 2x whole square. W1 equals to half k into 2x whole square. Its value becomes half kx square into 4 it is. W1 equals to 4W. This is 4W. This is 4W it is. 2 square. That means half kx square into 4. This is 4W. Half kx square indicates that is W. So W1 equals to 4W. But further, first this is X displacement. Work done is W. 2x displacement. Work done equals to 4W. Just further X displacement, पहले X, next X. First X displacement, the work is W. Further X displacement, the work is, that is 4W minus W it is. W1 minus W. This is further X displacement, the work done W dash equals to 3W. Further X displacement, the work done becomes 3W. Answer becomes 3W is the answer it is. Work done due to variable force, another the condition. Another condition may suppose this is one container contains some amount of gas. Using one piston, the area of the piston is A. This is one piston. Just it is pressed. The volume of the gas changes. To increase the pressure, volume of the gas is changes here. So this is total. The gas occupied certain volume. When it is compressed, what happened? how much work is done here? We want the work done, so in this condition. So when the area of the piston is A and the displacement becomes, this is dx, displacement becomes dx. Here the work done we want the work done dw, that is write as f into dx. dw equals to f into dx. dw equals to f into dx. It is write as dw write as force into, so force write as pressure into area. Pressure defined as force upon area, where force equals to pressure into area. Its value dw equals to p into a into dx, where dw equals to p into dv. So integration on both sides, integration of dw, integration of p into dv. Variable quantity here volume. Then variable quantity is volume. The volume is initial volume Vi and final volume is Vf. Then it is write as work done is write as integration of dw, 0 to w is the work limits. Then work done is write as, this work done value becomes dw, that is integration of dw is w, that is equals to p into integration of dv. It is write as, so v and limits of vi and vf, v final and v initial. Then w equals to p into v final minus v initial. It is write as work done it is, where work done equals to p into delta v. If the gas is expands, final volume is more. Gas expands. What happened in this condition? Work done equals to. So this is negative. Work is negativities. Work is positive. Gas expands. Work becomes positive. When gas contracts, that means final volume is decreases, then work done becomes a negative. Here, so gas expands, final volume is more than initial. If gas contracts, final volume is less than initial. If gas is constant, that means volume remains constant. So gas volume constant, then change in volume becomes 0, then work done becomes 0. Work done becomes 0. This is the when external force is acting on the gas, then how much work is done on the gas? Work done on the gas, W equals to P into delta V. Suppose gas expands, that condition the work done equals to, that is also P delta V. Either this work negative, positive or 0. So three possible conditions it is. This is the work done due to variable force. Suppose using the graph between pressure and volume graph. In pressure and volume, when initially, so it is compressing condition, volume is decreases. So initial volume is V1. When pressure increases, volume decreases. The shape of the graph is like this. This is a parabolic path. The shape of the graph is like this. Volume is decreases. Volume decreases to, suppose this is the final volume. This is initial volume. And here the pressure increases. Initial pressure and final pressure. The area of pressure and volume graph. This area indicates work done. Work done is nothing but area of PV graph. Pressure and volume graph, that area indicates work done. Our continuation, variable force provides work. Just example, yesterday we completed, last class this is completed. This is one table. one nth part of a chain on the table. One nth part. This is hanged. One nth part is hanged outside. The total length of this, okay, total length of the chain is L. Its mass is M. 1 unit length, its mass is M upon L. The amount of work required, the chain placed on the table. So amount of work required, the chain placed on table. So we want amount of work required to place on table. So amount of work required to place on table. So this condition, how much? So amount of work required to the chain placed on table it is. So this is a chain of length L and mass L length having mass M. One length having mass M upon L. Suppose this is, just we consider, this is dy. dy displacement के लिए work done. So a chain, suppose this is y we consider. This is y. Just a dy part it is. So y length of chain mass is m upon L into y. Y length of chain mass is m upon L into y. dy length of chain, this, that is displacement, dy displacement. The work done equals to dw equals to f into dy. The work done for dy displacement, that is write as f into dy. You know that this dw is equals to f write as this is mass into g gravity m upon L into y into this is write as g into dy. This is the total work done ka value. Work done equals to m by L into y into g into dy. Its value integration on both sides due to variable integration on both sides. Integration of mg upon L into y into dy it is. Now limitation is the total length of the chain. So this is the lowest position. This is considered 0 position. This is considered L upon nth part. L upon nth part. That means the total displacement is L by N. Upper limit. Lower limit is 0 and upper limit is L upon N. It is initially work 0. Final work is W. Then it is W is equals to mg upon L. Integration of y dy. That is write as y square by 2. But limitations from 0 to L upon N. So integration of y into dy, this is y square by 2 it is, y power 1 dy, y square by 2. Its value becomes how much work mg upon 2L into y square write as L square upon N square minus 0 square, that is 0. So this is L square by N square. After the simplification, one L is cancelled. mgl upon 2n square. This is work done. How much work is done here? The chain placed on the original position on the table. The work done equals to mgl upon 2n square. If n were write as, if n is write as 2. So that means half of the part outside it is hands. Then work done equals to half of the part outside, that means L by 2 part is outside. That means N becomes 2 it is. Then work done equals to mgl upon 2 into 2 square. This is mgl upon 8 it is. And if n equals to 3, this condition work done equals to mgl upon 2 into 3 square it is. Its value becomes mgl upon, this is 18 it is. If n equals to 4, w equals to mgl upon 2 into 4 square, this is mgl upon, this is 32. This is work done. In this given problem, the force acting on a particle moving along a straight line varies with speed. F is proportional to 1 upon v square. Force is proportional to 1 by v square. You know that force write as m into dv by dt. F equals to ma. That is write as m into dv by dt proportional to 1 by v square. Mass constant, a time we change this side, v square into dv is proportional to dt. It is v square into dv. That is the proportional to dt it is. So here v square dv proportional to dt. It is write as integration on both sides. V square into dv. It is write as integration of dt. This value is v power integration of x power n dx. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. V cube upon 3. So this is proportional to t it is. So integration of dt. So v cube proportional to t. Okay, 3 is constant. V proportional to t power 1 by 3. V proportional to t power 1 by 3. You know that force proportional to 1 by v square. F proportional to 1 upon v square. It is write as F proportional to 1 upon v square write as t power 2 by 3. This is the force. F proportional to v directly proportional to t power 1 by 3. That means F proportional to 1 by v square. That means 1 upon t power 2 by 3. This is Fl. F is write as this. Again, displacement. We want work done. We want work done is write as force into displacement. Here, using the displacement, what is the value of the displacement? Well, here the velocity is v proportional to t power 1 by 3. V nothing but ds upon dt. We defined as ds by dt is proportional to t power 1 by 3. ds is proportional to t power 1 by 3 into dt. Integration on both sides, integration of ds proportional to integration of t power 1 by 3 into dt. Where displacement is write as integration, derivation, cancel, differentiation is cancelled. S is proportional t power 1 by 3 into dt. That means t power 1 by 3 plus 1 upon 1 by 3 plus 1. So S is write as S is proportional to t power. Its value becomes 4 upon 3. Its value becomes 4. This is 4 upon 3 upon. Its value becomes it is write as 4 by 3. So S proportional to t power 4 by 3 and 4 by 3. That is S is proportional to t power 4 by 3. So this is S. And this is force. F is proportional to 1 upon t power 2 by 3. We want work done. Work done equals to force dot displacement. Then work is proportional to. So force write as 1 upon t power 2 by 3. And displacement write as t power 4 by 3. Then its value is simplified. So this value is simplified. Then work done. Work done is write as t power 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Its value becomes work done is proportional to t power 2 by 3. This is work and time relation. The answer becomes C. C is correct answer it is. In this given problem, two ends of A and B of a smooth chain. M is the mass of this chain and L is the length of the chain. So one side the length of the chain is less, another side the length of the chain is more. What is the work required? Both comes equal height. Both comes equal height means B moving upward, A moving downward, B moving upward, A moving downward. How much work is required? So here A moving downward, total length is L by 3. Total length is L by 3. But this B point moving upward, how much distance B moving upward with a displacement of L by 6. A moving downward with a displacement of L by 6 it is. That means the displacement is L upon 6. This is the displacement. And mass of this chain, the chain mass is M right as. This part is M upon 6 it is. That means the shifted mass is M by 6. And displacement, a particle इधर आ गया. Same as this particle moving here. This particle moving L by 6 displacement. This is displacement is S and mass is M upon 6. Then work done equals to mg M into A into S. Work done equals to F into S. It is write as M into G into S write as M write as M upon 6. S write as L by 6. Then work done W equals to the work done value equals to mgl upon 36. This is the work done value. Work done equals to mgl by. Next class, next lecture, continue the concept of work due to variable force. Work due to variable force, that is important concept. And so if you like these videos, please share and subscribe and like. Okay, thank you.